If you are, after studying in Vidya Vikas, you should not choose some Mickey Mouse hotel.
वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल लुकस मिक्स लैंग्वेज ब्लॉग। तो गाइस आज हम लोग आए हैं रेडिसन होटल, रेडिसन ब्लू होटल आए हैं। हम लोगों का सेशन है आज, फ्रंट ऑफिस का सेशन, तो वो करने के लिए आए हैं। तो चलिए गाइस आज का ये सेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं।
And catering technology. We are in our second years now and we're doing our fourth semester.
Thank you so much. Before I could start,
no matter where we live, who we are, our lives are a series of moments. Moments are meant to be lived, treasured. Memorable moments live forever. So who delivers truly memorable moments when you are away? Who gives you a warm welcome and genuine attention? Who delights you with unexpected rewards that are as unique as you are? Who delivers down to the tiniest detail for your important?
anybody who's not aware of this? In the whole team, anybody who's not aware of this? Everybody's aware?
Yes sir.
Sure?
Yes sir.
Front office works for 365 days, 24/7, which is round-the-clock services that we provide. Anything? That's it?
Yes sir.
Onto our desktop rooms. And
You heard about it? So it's very big early. You heard about it? So I just kept few pages. Let's proceed. This again varies from hotel to hotel. All the services that we do at the front desk. Who's going to take this up? Anybody? Anybody from the back?
like what are the special features it gives you?
If you could be precise what special feature you're looking for, I can give you the detail.
It's like we don't have any idea about opera.
Nice.
So we just need a small intro or something.
If you want to learn opera, please join us. The reason behind it, opera is not a small subject to start with. However, since you asked me, let me give you a small thing.
We are going to check somebody into the hotel. So now we are going to select the front desk department, and we are going to select arrivals on the left hand side. So again, like when we added the message, we can either type in the guest name or part of the name and or the confirmation number. So here I'm just going to show you what it looks like. We can just type in the H for our guest his name was Humber, and we can search. As we see, here is our reservation, and the reservation is for arrival today, the 7th of April, and today is the 7th of April. So we're going to click the check-in button here. As we can see, here is the red message button from the message that we left. And automatically the message box opens up, so we can see that we have to tell the guest that there's a box for him at the business centre to pick up when he arrives. And so we're going to click receive, so that it records that we've actually received that message in case there is any concerns in the future. And now we will close this box. So automatically the system selects a room for the guest, and the system has selected room 1.
Principal asked me that you have a class on front office. Only 2, 3 are there here. Okay. Anyway, whether you are going to be, how many of you think that you will become an HOD in a hotel? HOD, you understand the word HOD? How many of you think that you have the potential to be an HOD? But my advice is to you is, unless your family is really in trouble financially and they are suffering, don't leave India, because you will have better future in India in the hotel industry if you can. Growth will be in India. Where if you go outside, you will remain like a GSA forever. Okay, little more money than India you will get it, but the growth what you can do in few years in India, our industry is really booming, and it will be great in India unless we have some war or something like that. So try to be in India only. So don't just any Keralite is here. Definitely Dubai will be going.
Kerala, or they're making they're applied for passport.
Not 2 years, 1 year. Even if you want to go to Dubai or wherever you want to go, make your base strong. Means have a grip of the job. Then you go, then you can grow. You are going and competing with the different nationalities. So coming up is very difficult. It's not easy. It is not easy because you are competing with the local language speaking people. People like Lebanese, they are fantastic in English, Arabic, everything. So you are competing. So make your base very strong in India. There you go. Don't go to Dubai. It's not experience, okay? And don't go to Dubai or wherever to small restaurants. If you are, after studying in Vikas, you should not choose some Mickey Mouse hotel. Don't go to such hotels. Go to good hotels, okay? Try and come up. So that, as we said, we all can be one day like Mr. Maksud or executive chef, right? Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
हेलो गाइस, थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो। तो गाइस हम लोग यहीं पे समाप्त करते हैं हम लोगों का आज का सेशन। तो गाइस कैसा लगा आज का सेशन? तो हम लोग तो पूरे थक चुके हैं गाइस। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट एक ब्लॉग पे गाइस। तो आज का सेशन कैसे रहा कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर जनाइए। सो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग में। टिल देन टाटा बाय बाय।